Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with me. My name is Param. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you some daily useful short phrases as well as sentences which can be used in our daily conversation. I hope this video will be useful to you. So without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence है अपने बड़ों का कहना मानो. Obey your elders. Obey your elders. मुझे इसकी याद दिला देना. Please remind me of it. Please remind me of it. क्या तुमने उसकी शिकायत कर दी? Did you complain about him? Did you complain about him? मैं कभी पैसे उधार नहीं लेता. I never borrow money. I never borrow money. क्या तुम कभी झूठ नहीं बोलते? Do you never tell a lie? Do you never tell a lie? उसे ताला तोड़ना पड़ेगा. He will have to break the lock. He will have to break the lock. वो अपनी हंसी नहीं रोक सकी या नहीं रोक पाई. She couldn't hold laughing. She couldn't hold laughing. आप इसे ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. She couldn't control her laugh. She couldn't control her laugh. वो अपने आंसू नहीं रोक पाई या नहीं रोक सकी. She couldn't control her tears. She couldn't control her tears. मेरी दादी कहानियाँ सुना रही थी. My grandmother was telling stories. My grandmother was telling stories. बच्चों का आधा टिकट लगता है. Children travel half fare. Children travel half fare. तुम बड़े चिड़चिड़े स्वभाव के हो. You are very short tempered. You are very short tempered. आपको नौकरी से हटाया जाता है. You are dismissed from the job. You are dismissed from the job. क्या तुम कार चलाना जानते हो? Do you know how to drive the car? Do you know how to drive the car? ऐसी चीज़ें मैं भी नहीं खाता. I don't eat such things either. I don't eat such things either. Either को आप either भी pronounce कर सकते हैं, वो भी correct है. I don't eat such things either. ऐसा ख्याल तक मुझे नहीं आता. I can't even think so. I can't even think so. वो अभी भी बुरे दौर से गुजर रहा है. He is still going through a bad phase. He is still going through a bad phase. ऐसी कहानियाँ बहुत बोरिंग होती हैं. Such stories are extremely boring. Such stories are extremely boring. जब तक मैं समझ पाता वो आंखों से ओझल हो गया. By the time I could figure out, he disappeared. By the time I could figure out, he disappeared. मैं जानता हूँ कि ये समस्या किस तरह हल की जा सकती है. I know how this problem can be solved. I know how this problem can be solved. उस पर पैसे चोरी करने का इल्ज़ाम है. He is accused of stealing money. He is accused of stealing money. मैंने आपका क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? आप इसे ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं. What wrong have I done with you? जिंदगी हमें शायद दूसरा मौका ना दे. Maybe life doesn't give us another chance. Maybe life doesn't give us another chance. वो तो वहाँ जाएगा ही. He will obviously go there. He will obviously go there. उसने ही तो ये कहा था. It was he who had said it. It was he who had said it. अगर वो तुम्हें पैसे वापस ना दे तो What if he doesn't return you the money? What if he doesn't return you the money? अगर वो तुमसे बात ना करे तो What if he doesn't talk to you? What if he doesn't talk to you? होने को कौन टाल सकता है? Who can change the destiny? Who can change the destiny? आप में से कितने मॉर्निंग वॉक पर जाते हैं? How many of you go on a morning walk? How many of you go on a morning walk? पैसा देना आसान है, लेना बहुत मुश्किल है. It's easy to lend money but very difficult to take back. It's easy to lend money but very difficult to take back. क्या हो अगर वो तुम्हारा दिल तोड़ दे तो? What if she breaks your heart? What if she breaks your heart? So friends, these were the 30 phrases and sentences which we discussed in this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel for more content. I'll meet you in new video with new content. Till that time, all the best. Good luck. Bye-bye.